Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about setting up and installing your HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer software on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all I have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't matter which one, and in the Google search, you want to locate or search for HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer drivers. Go ahead and search for that. When the best result should be an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet 200 mobile printer series software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to scroll down here underneath, select your software and drivers below, expand the software and drivers section, and then there should be an HP Easy Start Printer Setup Software link in here. Select the download button that corresponds to that. And once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file to extract it. Should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Go ahead and select yes to install. And then just follow along with the on-screen prompts here of configuring it for your device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.